Hi friends, I'm your 14th case 147. I'm going to explain the ninth experiment of dbms, that is the creation of indices and index and sequences. So the first question is to create an index on the customer table on the column city. So create index1 on customer, and the column name is given as city, and such a column, this column is already indexed. Then the next one question is to create an index on the order ID table, order 1 tables column order ID. So for creating that, create index2 on order 1, attribute is order ID, and while we are running this one, index is created already. Then the third question is to create a composite index, that is on the product tables, and the attributes are product ID and product description. For that, create index3 on product, and the attributes given are product ID and product description. And while we are running this one, the index is created. And the fourth question is to create a function index. For that, create index4 on customer, and we are changing the customer name to uppercase, so that while running this one, this index is created. And the fifth question is to create a bitmap index, that is index 5 on supplier, and the attribute is gender. For that, create bitmap index 5 on supplier, and the attribute is given as gender. And the fifth question is to drop index, so that we are drop index 4, so that while running this one, the index is dropped. Then the next seventh question is to create a sequence in the order ID table, that while we are entering a new value into that order ID table, then the minimum value of the attribute or attribute should be, order ID attribute should be 115, and the maximum value should be 300. So starting value is 115 and increment by 1. So creating this sequence, then next one is to insert into order 1 order ID, order date, and customer ID, and the values. We are using the sequence next value, so that next value will be given for the order ID and the date and the customer ID. So while we are running this one, one row is created. And now we will check the condition while selecting the order ID table greater than 115. Now we can see that after 137, the value is automatically changed to 138, increment by 1, and it is inside the limit 115 to 300. By this, the experiment of indexes and sequences is explained. Thank you for watching.